Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 140,000 kilometers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.